Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Having your dehumidifier running all night is safe and also a good idea if the relative humidity levels are high. High levels of humidity can affect your sleep in 3 primary ways, namely breathing, comfort, and allergies. Asterisk this article may contain affiliate links.
Take our lead.
When you first operate your dehumidifier, it would be good practice to run it continuously until the RH falls below the 60% mark or fills up the water tank, whichever comes first. Once RH is below 60%, you can then use the dehumidifier during day and off during the night.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The water the dehumidifier collects is actually very clean water, comparable to distilled water. But if the water sits around in the tank, it can provide a hospitable medium for the growth of bacteria and molds, making it unfit for drinking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.